Good morning, guys. Today we're going to see about advanced financial accounting. In that, we will see about partnership accounts presented by our Kalevani first year BCom A cases course in our College of Arts and Science. In this, the retirement of partner, the introduction of retirement of partner. Partnership, as we know, in mutual agreement among partners to carry on legal business. It can be formed at any time when two or more persons decide. In other words, partnership is always at will of partner. It is just possible that one partner may be express his inability to continue in the partnership and request other partner to allow him to retire from the firm. Mutual agreement among the partners or to carry on the legal business. Amount payable to retiring partners to be credited to his capital account. Credit balance of his capital account, credit balance of his current account, his share of goodwill, his share of accumulated profits, his share in the gain of revaluation of assets and liabilities, his share of profit up to date of retirement, interest on his capital, salary and communication if any due to him up to the date of retirement. Deduction from the above sum to be debited to his capital account. Debit balance of his current account, his share of goodwill to be written off if necessary, his share of accumulated losses, his share of loss on revaluation of assets and liabilities, his share of loss up to the date of retirement, his drawings up to the date of retirement, interest on drawings. There is adjustment. The following adjustments are made at the time of retirement of the partner. There must be adjustments. Calculation of new and gaining ratio, treatment of goodwill, revaluation of assets and liabilities, treat of accumulated or undivided profits, method of payment to retiring partners, adjustment of capital accounts. Calculation of new and gaining ratio. New profit sharing ratio. It can be deducted by new share of partner equal to old share plus acquired share. Ratio of remaining partner is known as new profit sharing ratio, in which they share the future profits. Gaining ratio. Gaining ratio equal to new share minus old share in ratio in which the continuing partners have acquired the share from the retiring partners is called the gaining ratio. Treatment of goodwill. The retiring or deceased partners is entitled to his share of goodwill at the time of retirement because the goodwill has been earned by the firm with the effort of all the existing partners. There are 4 steps in the treatment of goodwill. First step, calculation of goodwill of the entire firm as per partner agreement included retiring partner. Step 2, ascertainment of retiring partners share of goodwill. Step 3, calculation of gaining ratio. Step 4, acquiring accounting treatment. Revaluation of assets and liabilities. The term revaluation simply means to determine the value of assets and liabilities again. In the preparation of revaluation accounts, there are only 2 possibilities. It will be either profit or loss. Profit indicate excess of credit side over the debit side. It will be shown to debit side of revaluation of accounts. Loss indicates excess of debit side over the credit side. It will shown at credit side of the revaluation account. Treatment of accumulated profit. Accounts representing accumulated or undivided profits should be transferred to all partner capital account including the retiring partner in the old profit sharing ratio. Accumulated or undivided profit, also known as retaining earning consists of profit and loss account balance, general reserve, contingency reserve, etc. They are all shown at the liabilities side of balance sheet. Amount payable to retiring partners, which is already seen. The procedure of determining the amount payable to retiring partner is to prepare his capital account on the date of the retirement. The retirement partners is entitled to get a share out of the following items: share of goodwill, share of accumulated profit, share of profit on re-evaluation, interest on capital, share of profit from the closing of the last final account to the date of retirement. Adjustment of capital accounts. At the time of retirement of partner, controlling partner may agree to fix their capital at a certain amount to make it in their profit sharing ratio. If such an agreement take place, then there will be the accounting impact, which is as follow. There are 3 steps. The specified capital amount is distributed among continuing partners. The closing balance of capital should be restricted, and any surplus over the adjusted capital is either returned to the partner in case or transferred to his current account. There are some problems. The following problem arising at the time of retirement. The problems are to revalue the assets and liabilities of the firm, to fix up the value of goodwill of the firm, to make payment of the dues of retiring partner, to determine the new profit sharing ratio, to determine the new capital of the firm, to disturb general reserve or profit and loss balance among all partners, to ascertain the profit or loss up to the date of retirement. Thank you.